In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set answer restrictions for Microsoft Forms. Whether you're a teacher, a team leader, or someone who regularly uses forms for gathering information, the ability to customize settings can be absolutely crucial. So let's dive right in and explore how you can master these settings to enhance your forms functionality. To begin with, head over to the Microsoft Forms website. Once you're there, you'll need to locate the specific form or quiz you'd like to review and adjust. Make sure you have it open and ready to go. When your form is open, you'll notice a small icon at the top right corner of the page that looks like 3 dots or a gear. Click on the icon to access the settings menu. This menu is where all the magic happens in terms of customizing the functionality and restrictions of your form. Now, one of the first restrictions you might want to consider is setting a start and end date for accepting responses. This feature is incredibly useful if you are working within a specific timeline, such as a deadline for a project submission or a quiz window for students. Simply select the enforced timeframe that suits your needs to ensure no responses are submitted outside of it. Moving on, another feature you might find handy is the ability to shuffle questions. This option allows you to randomize the order of questions each time a participant loads the form. It's particularly helpful in a teaching scenario to prevent cheating, as it ensures that no two quizzes appear exactly the same. Alternatively, if maintaining the order of questions is paramount, say for a logically structured survey or quiz, you can choose to lock the questions in place. Just make sure to verify your selections, match the intent of your form before proceeding. If you're dealing with a multi-page form or quiz, displaying a progress bar can greatly enhance the user experience. It provides participants with a visual indication of how far they've come and how much is left, which can keep them engaged and motivated to complete the form. Then, to facilitate clear communication with your respondents after they've completed your form, you have the option to allow the receipt of responses post-submission. This means they can receive a confirmation email with their responses, which can be particularly reassuring in professional settings or when dealing with important submissions. Finally, to keep yourself informed, especially if the form is critical, like applications or enrollments, you can set up email notifications for each response you receive. This real-time alert can help you stay on top of things without having to constantly check the response tab. And there you have it. By tweaking these settings, you can tailor your forms to meet your specific needs, whether that's ensuring security, enhancing user experience, or simply improving your workflow. Thanks for watching this tutorial and happy form building.